Hey y'all, it's Mary and I got my Ipsy Glam bag. So I have had the Glam bag in the past, but I haven't had it for at least a year, maybe even 2 years. But I decided to get it back because it's going up in price. So I got it at a discount. I bought it by the year, so we're gonna try it for a year and see. As you can see, it's been in the house just a few minutes because it's all chewed up. So I do like the bag, I do. And this bag wasn't even sealed ever because this came in a giant box because I got this crazy email right after I picked for the Glam bag in November. That would have been in November, right? Right after I picked, I got this message that was like urgent. And I'm like, urgent? It said something about you have to pick. And I'm like, oh, maybe I made a mistake. Because, you know, being brand new to it, and maybe I didn't hit, you know, the final thing. So I went back in. And they had all these fabulous things. Well, you know, you can do your add-ons. You can get only 10 add-ons, I do believe. So it said everything was $3.50, not every single thing. But I'm scrolling, I'm like, what? They had these giant, well, I'm doing a separate video on back. They had things that were super expensive for $3.50. So I got 10 different things, 10 things. I'll show it to you at a later date. Right now, let me tell you about this December Glam bag. I have a card. December is You're the Main Attraction. That's a very pretty picture. And hey, my card has, you know, in the old days, a couple of years ago when I would get the Glam bag, it always had your information inside. So when I got the bag in November, it did not have the information, so I'm very glad it has the information now. So when I went to pick for the Glam bag, which, you know, the last time I got the Glam bag, you didn't pick. You just got what you got. They had a bunch of stuff for me to pick from. I could pick the Ace Beauté. It was a nice little lip gloss, but I have so many. There was Diana's brand hand cream in peppermint, which I thought was nice. You know, like for your handbag, a small one. There was a Hava, a lifting facial mask. There was the brand Verify, a moisturizer. Manicadar. There was it was eyeshadow, but it was a roll-on eyeshadow. I don't know how that was going to stay on. There was Tresloose little mascara. There was Goldfaden MD, a lip therapy, which you know, that I would have liked that too. And there was the brand Paradox. It was a hair mask. And then there was what I picked, which, let's see, here's the bag. Everything's in my bag. So let me get it out and then I'll show you what I picked. Because like I said, I'm just not used to having a choice. I like to pick a makeup product in Ipsy. So I got this. This is the Shades by Shan Gel Eyeliner in Tapioca Pearl. So I told Laura the Bargain Hunter that I'm always going to mention her when I do that because she taught me it's so hard to get the shrink wrap off of things, isn't it? Especially something like this that's so tiny. She taught me to twist it and it breaks and then you can get it off. Well, I can't get it off the bottom just yet. I need a tweezer or something. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, Camille. Camille keeps running through. She goes down and then comes back around like it's a carnival game or something. Well, I can't get that off, but I wanted to. Let me get it off. I'll be back. All right. That plastic is all stuck to me. Static cling. I just want, because you wouldn't be able to see. Well, you still can't see the name of it. It's Shades by Shan. It's the gel eyeliner, and it is in Tapioca Pearl is the color. And this plastic is all stuck to me. I mean, like everywhere. Okay, so let's see what it looks like. You can't really see the writing on it. It's gold. It looks nice. Yeah, it's very nice. I like it. I will be using that. Gel eyeliner. Whoops. That's it. Shades by Shan. So that's what I got. So that's a full size right there. So I don't know what that's valued at, but then I have 4 other items, and I am happy to have this. What it says about well, maybe it says in here. It says that it's a full size, and it is $18 value. And then everything else I got is a deluxe sample. So I got this. This is by, it's Skin 1004, Madagascar Centella Hyala Sika First Ampule. This hydrating ampule quickly boosts moisture and preps your skin to absorb the next step of your skincare routine. So that was interesting. It's hyaluronic acid and then it's that Sika stuff. Centella acetica, whatever that's called. So apply 1 or 2 drops to your skin after cleansing and pat to absorb. Let's see what it smells like. Is it in a, let's see. Okay, here it goes. I can't really smell anything. It just looks like water, you know, so it looks thin. Cute little bottle. I'll be interested to try that. So something different anyway. And then I got this is from Dr. Brandt, which we like that brand. And I don't think I've ever seen Dr. Brandt in a dark container like this. This is a Say I Love You microdermabrasion. I've had this in large. You know, y'all have seen it in the large size. It has a heart, a red heart, like a red foil heart, I'm thinking, on it. So this is a sample size of that. A cult favorite, this age-defying exfoliator gently polishes and smooths the skin, buffing away dead surface skin cells for a smoother, brighter complexion in minutes. This is very nice. The full size is $79. So it doesn't tell you what the deluxe sample size is. But this is very nice, great for travel because you'd have a couple of 2-3 applications in here. Great for if you go away for the week at the beach. You have a nice exfoliator with you. And I never go away to the beach, so. And then I got some of the choices that I could have picked from are in here. I have the Tresloose Beauty in the little mascara. So that is in jet black. And it's volumizing and lengthening mini mascara. And it's the traditional blue of Tresloose. And then this item, I'm excited about this because this is really bougie. Ren Clean Skincare. Evercalm Global Protection Day Cream. Boosted with powerful antioxidants, this cream will optimally hydrate even the most sensitive skin. Okay, and it goes on, you know, but let me show it to you because it's pretty. I did look at all this online ahead of time. It's just a nice little tube in this pretty color, sage, whatever this is. So, and it's a pretty little tube with a little metal point. Isn't that cute? And Ren is a good brand. And hang on a second. What's going on there? How do you use that? This is 100% recycled aluminum from base to tip. Cool. I have no idea how to open it. I might have to, maybe that's a thing you snap to break. I don't know. I'll find out because I'll be using it and I'll let y'all know at a later date. That is cool. It's all recycled. So that's what I got in the, oh, let me show you the bag. Before we do that though, we've got our Christmas treasure hunt going on. So this is what's in today's bonus item is the iconic London Booming and Gleaming Eyeshadow Palette. Okay. This is a huge palette by Iconic London. It's very beautiful. A lot of their palettes are very neutral. So it has a mirror on one side. It's very pretty. It's gorgeous. Oh my goodness, gorgeous. It's making me wonder, why am I giving this away? But I am. Here it is. Look at that, After Dark it's called. That is a really, really deep purple, if you can see that. Gorgeous neutrals, beautiful colors. So let me put that back together before anybody walks by. I do see like a little nick in it. Maybe I did that with this thing. I don't know. Because I've shown it, when I got it, I showed it, I'm sure. So, and then it's in this nice little, and then let me show you the Glam bag. The Glam bag is adorable for, you know, very festive for Christmas time. It is, this glittery stuff shouldn't be coming off, but there is some of it on the back. I like that it's stamped Ipsy. It's like a pleather on the back. Look at this cute jingle bell. Well, it doesn't have a jingle bell, but it looks like an ornament, a little gold ornament. Can you see that? And pink on that side, and let's see what the inside looks like. It is lined. See that? Yeah, they don't do that Ipsy tag anymore. But the front, look at it, very festive, very, very glittery. You can feel the glitter, but it's not coming off. So I don't know why there's a couple pieces on the back. But yeah, if I run my hand over this, it's not coming off. Well, one piece is. But I love the colors. It's very, very festive. So, you know, you could carry this with you for the holidays. You could take this, you know, your phone might fit in there, lippy. Take it with you for an evening out, New Year's Eve or something if you'd like. But anyway, now I do have glitter on the table. So that's what I got in my Ipsy Glam bag for December. And I'll take a couple pictures, put them on Instagram if you're interested in seeing that again. And then stay tuned for, at some point, I'm going to do an add-on video to show you all that stuff that I got, 10 things. Plus I got something free because I spent over $25. I spent $35 because I got 10 $3.50 items. You won't believe it, but it's pretty cool. Thank you all for stopping by and count your blessings. Bye-bye.